Singer and entrepreneur Rihanna has been declared a national hero in Barbados. The honor was bestowed during Monday's presidential inauguration ceremony in the capital, Bridgetown. Rihanna, who was flown in for the celebrations, was invited on stage by Prime Minister Mia Mottley, who made the surprise announcement. The event marked the island nation's official removal of Queen Elizabeth II as the head of state, kicking start an era with the island's first ever president almost 400 years since Barbados became an English colony. Rihanna has held the title of Ambassador for Culture and Youth in Barbados since 2018, with February 22 being celebrated Rihanna Day. During her distinguished career, the hitmaker has racked up many titles, which include award-winning musician, billionaire makeup mogul, actor, philanthropist, entrepreneur, and fashion designer. The anticipation continues to grow for Bounty Killer's upcoming album King of Kingston. The dancehall legend recently shared this video of rap icon Snoop Dogg, who will be featured on the upcoming project. Snoop Dogg will be featured on the song Murder Plan. King of Kingston will boast over 30 songs and features 36 artists, including Vybz Kartel, Agent Sasco, Christopher Martin, Busy Signal, Da Vinci, among others. The album will be the follow-up to Bounty Killer's Ghetto Dictionary The Mystery, released back in 2002. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for ePrime.